Hello everyone, I'm Tom Palmer, Tom Palmer Custom Daisy Rifles, Mulder, Oklahoma. This is Friday, August 8th, 2025. Just got in the mail some screws from my buddy Shane over at Restomod Daisy. I was needing some for the right ones for member ORC. Well, this will finish him up, so we're gonna swap them screws out, nuts, and wash it right quick, and put ORC back to originality. So, okay. Okay, that was a trigger screw. This here will be the stock screw. Some of these old guns, I just like to keep them as original as I possibly can. Probably don't make a lot of difference to a lot of people, but it does make a difference to me. Even though she ain't nothing pretty to look at, still I like the correct screws, not always, and the Phillips heads are a lot easier to work with. These things here, you better be careful, you'll slip off and skin something up. Okay, put the nuts on. There we go. Okay, there we go. Shane, thank you a bunch, buddy. Y'all need to flip over and find Restomod Daisy, Shane Bruce, and check out his channel. And man, he builds some beautiful stocks and stuff, and reconditioned guns, and he does a fine job. And he's very educated guy on these old daisies, and the guy's probably forgot more than I'll ever know. But he's always been good to me. I've called on him a couple of times, and he's never failed me. And I don't wear out my welcome, but hey, BB gun community, you got to kind of reach out sometimes. So, but anyway, there is these two screws right there, what I was needing that I got from Shane. And but anyway, ORC is finished up, complete. It go. So there you go. And thank everyone for watching.